Are you struggling with session management in your Spring Security application after adding a custom filter? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many developers face when integrating custom authentication filters. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when your application behaves unexpectedly after making changes. You expect your custom username password authentication filter to work seamlessly, but instead, you're facing issues with session limits. This is a common scenario for many developers. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. A user created a custom username password authentication filter to capture additional parameters from the login page. While the filter works fine, they notice that session management, which previously allowed only one session per user, is now allowing multiple logins. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this session management issue? When you add a custom filter, it can sometimes interfere with the default session management settings in Spring Security. Understanding how these components interact is crucial for resolving the problem. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a key insight that could help you avoid similar issues in the future. To address the issue with session management, the user should first ensure that the custom username password authentication filter is correctly integrated into the Spring Security configuration. Next, the user should check if the session registry is properly configured. The session registry is crucial for managing user sessions effectively. The user should also confirm that the session management settings are correctly applied. This includes ensuring that maximum sessions are set to 1. Additionally, the user should verify that the custom filter does not interfere with the session management process. This can be done by reviewing the filter's logic. Finally, the user should test the application after making these adjustments. This will help confirm whether the session management is functioning as expected. Fun fact: did you know that the concept of session management in web applications dates back to the early days of the internet? It's evolved significantly, but the core principles remain the same. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves adding a custom concurrent session filter. This approach ensures that only one session per user is allowed, even after integrating the custom username password authentication filter. The user suggests implementing a composite session authentication strategy, which includes a concurrent session control authentication strategy. This strategy sets the maximum sessions to 1 and includes additional strategies for session management. Additionally, they created a custom session information expired strategy to handle expired sessions by redirecting users to a specific page when their session is no longer valid. Here's the insight I promised. Always test your custom filters in isolation before integrating them into your main application. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve your session management issues. Remember, testing and understanding how components interact is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.